Hello guys, hope you also fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well. But guys, inshallah, I'm Liman part of you. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about our on-passive amazing products Oconnect. Definitely, you know that what's Oconnect. And if you ask me what's Oconnect, then definitely I will say you. Oconnect is the best and biggest video conference tool. It's a provided on-passive AI technology LLC company. Definitely, you know that if you want to, if you know more about our company, definitely you can we can visit our website to www.onepassive.com and forget more or detailed information. So Oconnect is the best and biggest video conference tool in the world, and so definitely we can use after long time we are using this apps or this product and already actually this products and mobile application and a laptop application is available in our Play Store, so you can download and you can use. We can use our products Oconnect for any meeting, any conversation, and definitely we can continue our meeting smoothly and well and awesome feature. Actually Oconnect feature is great and have a lot of feature, and actually we can continue our conversation, we can continue our meeting unlimited participant, and actually has a great facility, has a great feature. Actually video actually translate language translate, and any element, I mean any actually slide for uploading, and video background audio, or actually audio quality is really wonderful, and we can change our video background. Actually it's conversation time, and has this so many actually voiceness restriction, and so many feature. Definitely when you use our products, when you use Oconnect apps, definitely you can see so many products, so many facility and feature. Actually I'm proud to, actually I'm glad to say that I'm so happy for using and for use this app. So if you are interested, use and enjoy our products on our on-passive products Oconnect, definitely you have to, first of all you have to registration there, right? And registration to ecosystem. So first step, you have to register, and definitely you will get the registration link in this actual comment box in this video. So you can follow, then definitely you can link, and you can first of all you have to click the link, and then you will get interface, and definitely you have to maintain the ritual, and then you will be able to registration there. And when you complete your registration there, then you will get trend credit. I mean trend credit equal to $10. Trend credit means US dollars. So you will get $10 US, and get 3 products. I mean 3 application or trim or net and or mail for mail. When you actually if you get free access of these 3 products, then definitely you have to complete your registration to ecosystem, and you will get 3 application free application after complete your registration. So don't let just right now you can register there and get 3 free application, and enjoy our Oconnect apps. I'm so happy, and we're all brand ambassador, we're all founder, and I believe that so many people always interested feel, and some always actually feeling is wonderful for using these apps, and definitely these products gradually updated, and we will get more facility, we will get more facility and more feature about feature in our Oconnect mobile application. So if you use it at that time, you can search your Play Store Oconnect, then definitely you will get a product Oconnect official and on-passive technology LLC, and already 1000 actually K download is done, and 5 rating is complete, and so you can see it from your from your Play Store, and laptop or any desktop application and mobile applications coming. Already we are using, already got it, and our OS is coming soon. We are waiting for our Onpassive actual Play Store. So hope you got it about this matter, and definitely I hope you will enjoy when you registration to ecosystem, and when we will use our amazing application. So thank you so much for watching this video. Next time talk to you again. That time, okay, tell and take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Tata.